What's up, plant lovers? Devin is here, and today we're with our Hydrangea paniculata, and I'm going to show you guys how to prepare our Hydrangea paniculatas for the winter time. Essentially just how to correctly deadhead our Hydrangea paniculatas so that they can go to sleep nice and easily through the winter time. Now, the best time to do this is in autumn. Right now I'm in the end of October, so kind of between, if you're in the northern hemisphere, I'm in zone 6B in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Sometime between October and Thanksgiving Day is a great time to do this process. Now, first and foremost, you're going to need some good sharp shears. I like to use the Felco. These are Felco number 5s. If you're looking for the best shears in the business, check the description for a link to these guys below. They are, I've had them for years and they still work like perfection. So here you can see one of the spent blooms, and as we are deadheading, all we're gonna do, we're gonna travel down the stem just to this bud right here. This is a bud where leaves are emanating from, you see? And what we're going to do, we're gonna take our nice sharp shears and we're simply going to snip it off just like that. Now here you can see another example. This is a little bit bigger flower, but there's not really any leaves right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna travel down to the next bud, which you can see right here. It kind of has these nodules sticking out. This is where a leaf would have emanated from. So we're gonna just cut just above that leaf node right there. And then we're just gonna continue the process until everything is nice and clean. And there's lots of fun things that you can do with these hydrangea spent flowers. I'm going to see if I can convince my wife to make a wreath out of them. We'll see. If I can, then I will make a video with her showing how to do that. But they're also just wonderful decorations because they dry really nicely. You can actually take some hairspray and just spray it on, and then it will kind of really slightly harden the flowers so that they stay nice and strong. And then you can use them as displays inside the home, on mantles, in vases, however you'd like. That's why we especially like to do this after our flowers have started to take a little bit of color, and then they look beautiful inside the home. All right, so now I have a beautiful crate full of these nice flowers. It's really as easy as that to get our Hydrangea paniculatas prepared for the winter season. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. I'm posting videos every single week all about plant-related topics. And make sure to stay tuned as I will show you guys what to do with our panicle hydrangeas in the spring here in a few months. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.